Yuma Consensus is the mechanism that decides who gets paid on Bittensor. It is the engine that keeps the entire network honest. Here's the problem it solves. Bittensor is a permissionless network. Anyone can become a miner. Anyone can claim they are providing high-quality AI. So how do you prevent someone from submitting garbage work and collecting rewards? You need a system that evaluates every participant and distributes payments based on actual contribution. That system is Yuma Consensus. Here's how it works. Validators on each subnet evaluate miners by sending them tasks and scoring the results. One validator might score a miner at 0.8 out of 1. Another might score them at 0.6. Every validator produces their own rankings. Yuma Consensus takes all of these individual rankings and combines them into a single network-wide consensus score for each miner. The critical detail: validators are weighted by their stake. A validator with more tau staked has more influence on the final consensus. This means the validators with the most skin in the game have the most say. If a validator tries to manipulate scores, perhaps giving high scores to their own miner, the consensus mechanism detects the divergence from other validators and penalizes it. Validators who consistently deviate from consensus see their influence reduced. For miners, the consensus score directly determines their emission rewards. A miner with a high consensus score earns more tau. A miner with a low score earns less. A miner with a score of 0 earns nothing and eventually gets deregistered from the subnet. This creates a 3-layer incentive system. Miners are incentivized to do the best possible work because better work means more tau. Validators are incentivized to score honestly because dishonest scoring gets penalized. And the market is incentivized to stake on good validators because validator performance affects everyone's returns. The result is a self-correcting system. Bad actors get filtered out automatically. Good work gets rewarded proportionally. And no central authority needs to make any decisions. The math handles it.